If you're facing the problem, this account can no longer use WhatsApp, don't worry, I have an instant solution for you. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for WhatsApp. Now, look carefully. If there's an update available, just tap on it and hit update. Wait for it to complete. Once the update is done, scroll down the page. Here, you'll see an option called App Support. Tap on it. Inside App Support, you'll find the official WhatsApp support email ID. Tap to open it. This is where we'll write an email to the WhatsApp team. Now listen carefully. I've already written a professional and stronger version of the appeal email. You can simply copy the full email text from the description of this video. Go back to your email, paste the subject line and the full email content. At the end of the email, make a few small changes. Type in your phone number, then your email ID, your device model, and finally, sign off with best regards and your name. Once you've filled in everything, tap the send button at the top right corner to send your appeal directly to WhatsApp. Now, the next step. Go to your phone menu, open the Chrome browser, and search for WhatsApp Contact. Hit Enter. Click on the very first link. This takes you to WhatsApp's official contact page. Scroll down, and under WhatsApp Support, you'll see a blue link that says Contact Us. Tap on it. A form will now open. In the first box, type your phone number. In the second box, enter your email address. Then, type your email again to confirm it. Scroll down a little more. Under How do you use WhatsApp, select your device's OS. At the bottom box, paste the same professional appeal email you copied earlier. Once that's done, tap on the Next Step button below. Now, you just need to wait a couple of hours. In my case, it only took 2 hours. After that, open WhatsApp again on your phone. Here, you'll see the message, your account has been restored. At the bottom, there will be a button that says Verify Account. Just tap on it. And congratulations, you've successfully unbanned your WhatsApp account. And that's it.